Hi, my name is Joe Morelli of the law offices of Markey, Salamone, and Morelli in Hartford, Connecticut. We are a personal injury law firm handling all different types of accident cases throughout the state. I'd like to tell you a little bit about how technology has changed the way that we approach the preparation of cases that we handle on an everyday basis. It wasn't so long ago it was very difficult to document even the basics of an intersection accident. What we find nowadays is with the advent of cell phone cameras, cell phone video, security video, that critical evidence can be obtained through investigative techniques that include trying to obtain these videos or preserve these videos until the time of trial. Notably, in the past year, we've run into a couple of situations. We have a client who was a pedestrian crossing the street who was hit, and the client tells us right in the middle of the street, the double yellow line. The driver of the vehicle told the police that he was properly in his lane and that our client had darted out in front of him. The incident occurred right outside of a federal building, and these days federal buildings are armed with cameras pointing in every direction, which we were able to verify did capture the incident. They were not willing to turn it over, however, without us filing a Freedom of Information Act request, which we did, and we were denied on up to 3 occasions, but finally we were able to convince them that this was not a matter of national security, and upon disclosure of the video, it did confirm that, in fact, our client was hit right smack in the middle of the street, providing us with critical evidence in that particular claim. Another matter which arose recently is a stop sign intersection case. Our client approached the stop sign, stopped his vehicle appropriately, and then proceeded into the intersection. Another vehicle came from his left and broadsided him. Both claimed to have had the right of way. What we discovered, and what had existed at that particular point in time, was a neighbor in the area had a fairly elaborate security system which was pointed right at the direction of the intersection where the incident occurred. Upon obtaining the report of what the video showed, it was discovered that in fact the security video did show our client to be in the right. He had stopped at the stop sign. It was the other driver who had gone when it wasn't his turn. Again, critical evidence. Technology is everywhere these days, and attorneys practicing in this field have to know how to avail themselves of this. Whether it's store video, whether it's security video, you have to know where to look and you have to know what steps to take as soon as the case comes in. We think that the future holds that we'll be able to obtain witnesses to various incidents someday on social networking sites or other internet type of sites. The law firm of Markey, Salamone, and Morelli is poised to take advantage of this technology boom in the future, and this is how we go about investigating cases on behalf of all of our clients.